Hi, my name is Astro Dax and I want to be an astronaut. I'm learning all kinds of neat things about space and science, and I want to share them with you. Today, we're going to talk about a magical force. Can you see it? It's right here now. It's the reason why you, me, and everyone else is not falling on our bums. It's the reason why planes fly and boats go through the water. It's the reason why race cars go really fast and how we get from our homes to school. Ready? It's called friction. Astro Dax Science Snacks. Today, we're talking about friction. Friction is the resistant force that happens when two objects touch each other. So, if you have any kind of object, and it doesn't matter what it is, there's a force that happens between the two. There are 4 types of friction: sliding, static, rolling, and fluid. Today, we're talking about sliding friction. It's probably the one you're most familiar with because it happens all the time. This is when one object slides across another. For example, tobogganing. The sled is an object, the snow is an object. When the sled slides over the snow, it's sliding friction. Let me show ya. Let's go. Wasn't that fun? So if you remember Newton's first law of motion, objects at rest stay at rest, objects in motion stay in motion, unless there is a greater force that changes that motion, like gravity. For this car, the thing that changes its motion isn't gravity. It's the friction from the sand that provides resistance and stops the car. Not everything has the same resistance. So let's do an experiment so I can show you what I mean. So in front of me, I have 3 identical blocks. The first one has aluminum foil. The second one, I'm just going to leave as a bare piece of wood. And the third one has sandpaper on the bottom. My hypothesis is that the blocks will go down the board at 3 different times. Let's give it a shot. So let me explain what happened. The 3 surfaces have different levels of friction. The aluminum foil, being very smooth, is very slippery. So when there was enough force from gravity to make it slide, then it went first. The second one with the wood bottom isn't as smooth as the aluminum one. So it took a bit more force from gravity to make it go down the board. So the one with the sandpaper on the bottom went last because it isn't smooth. The smoother the surface, the slipperier it is, and the less friction it has. The opposite is also true, where the rougher the surface, the less slipperier it is, and the more friction it has. This is what we call grip, like holding something tight. So that's sliding friction. I hope you enjoyed that. I'd like to invite you to my next video on static friction. In the meantime, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'm learning all kinds of neat things about space and science, and I want to share them with you. Today, we're talking about friction. Friction is the force that happens. It's the reason why this will roll across the table. There are 4 types of friction. So in front of me, I have 3 identical blocks.
Rolling.